Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And how are you? I hope everyone are fine and staying at home in this quarantine. I'm not able to put any videos in my YouTube channel because of this COVID, and I'm not able to go outside. So stay home and stay safe. But today we have something special in our video, okay? And that is, it's my dream. Of course, it's my dream, and I ordered day before yesterday. I was waiting like when the day will come, and the day has come today, and I'm going to unbox it. Do you want to see? It's this Moza Mini's Android gimbal, and let's go and open. I'm excited to see it. I was waiting, okay, for this, and I thought to do video and give some information to you also. So I'm doing this video. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this is the box. I can see it's fully packed, and back side they gave number for this, and this will be consist of a bag and stand, some pouch to put this gimbal in, and user manual. Okay, before that I opened the parcel, and I got this guarantee card. It's guarantee, it's in Russian. Okay, it's a guarantee card, and let's keep it aside. Okay, and we start unboxing the gimbal box. Let's go. Okay. See, okay, the first thing first, and the first thing is, let's open it. Okay, come on. Okay, they are given some manual in it. See, Moza. Okay, and some manual in this, and how to open and how to do. Okay, we don't read it, of course, we keep it inside. I don't know what is that. Next thing is this, also manual card. Okay, here comes our gimbal. This is our gimbal, and we have some other things also here, some charger pin, and I think this is a mic cable. This is a bag to keep the gimbal, and we have some, I think it's a, get open, yeah, it's a stand, and we can keep like this. Okay guys, we start with the gimbal. And this gimbal is, I was interested in this gimbal because of it's too weightless. So when we doing the long time video, and we can survey when we are going out, we are traveling outside, we can hold in one hand like it's not that much heavy by comparing to the other gimbals, and it's smaller too. Okay, you see how small it is, and it can be fit. See, it's like this is a new model of Moza. They gave the lock here. If we unlock it and if we rotate, it's unlocked, and here we go. Yay, we got it. And next, the specialty is they have given one more lock here to keep it safe. Okay, here it comes, and there's a power button here. Okay, we on it. Oh, here it is. Okay, that that. Let's do some test with the mobile. Okay, and before that, I will show you the things what else they have given. They have given a stand which can fix here like this, like this, like this. Yeah, then it can be stood like this. Yeah, okay, it will be stand like this, and this, see, the small bag, in this we can keep this gimbal, and this is a charger cable, and this is mic cable. Okay, let's do some fun with this gimbal. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, that's all about today's video, and let's meet in next video. Until then, bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe, see you. And one more thing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, share with your friends. And I may not able to bring very good vlogs now, but sure after this lockdown finish, and I will bring you a new and exciting videos. Until then, see you, bye.